Yeah, is your eyes closed?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, so obviously we're in a craft store and it's Halloween and fall time. And we're really excited because we are recreating our own costumes out of things we find at Hobby Lobby. No, we're making them from scratch. Like fabric. Uh-oh. Like if we have to sew, we have to sew. If we have to, we have to put it physically together. Get fabric. Use whatever we come across to build our own costumes from scratch.
Okay.
So obviously we had this really cute idea of like filming the intro like standing in the fall aisle, but like everybody's at the store for fall things. So as you guys can tell, look behind you, the aisle's getting very crowded. This is the dumbest idea we ever had. Now we're in the Christmas aisle because there's less people. So now we can actually like explain to you what we're doing.
Intro.
We had this idea of trying to make Halloween costumes from scratch with no help. So we're putting together one outfit each individually and we're gonna see who's gonna win this competition. Kinda not surprised we sucked at explaining this considering how many people were in that store, but we only have 20 minutes to put together Halloween costumes using anything but clothes. We are not allowed to wear clothes, buy clothes. The costumes we make have to be wearable and they can't be store-bought. We have to make everything from scratch, hence the name of the challenge. We are not crafty whatsoever. Shout out to Laura DIY who like does all her DIYs on YouTube. Like we straight up don't know how she does it. DIYs are hard. Let's go. We only have 20 minutes and let's build our costumes. I have this weird feeling they're gonna be really bad. All right. You guys are gonna see the truth behind Gabby and I's DIY craft skills. This is like exposing our DIY. 20 minutes, start now. Now. Okay, I don't even know. We're in the Christmas aisle. Like what the This could easily be a shirt if you just cut out the bottom and you slide it over your head. What is this?
Monster.
It looks like Gumby. I kind of like this. Okay, we're gonna try to see what I can do with this. It's different. I love green. I want like stretchy material. Ooh. I feel like I'm gonna creep Gabby out. I was inspired. Stop looking at my cart. I want to reveal it to you. I walked by this thing and I don't know what I'm trying to make, but it's really creepy. I'm making this into a shirt. Ooh, it's cool though, right? What? I'm a monster. A monster, okay. What would I make out of this, like leggings? You don't know how to make leggings. Don't mind me, I'm gonna go look for a oversized pink shopping bag. Wait, I wanna see. This is what I'm gonna do. I looked up DIY girly costumes on Google and this popped up. A Victoria's Secret shopping bag. Blur out face of girl. We need to look for little letters to spell out Victoria's Secret on the bag. Right now I have the tissue paper, I have a bag, but I need to get like pink ribbon to make the stripes, like light pink ribbon. I got this in case I can't find anything. These are napkins. I could just put like all over the bag. Let's see. I just see a shopping bag. Gabby, look what I found. I'm gonna make a monster headband with googly eyes on it.
Associates calling. Can you call station 21? Calling.
Gabby. Here's letters. So I'm making platformers. So I'm gonna buy this gold headband because it's gonna match the letters that spell out Victoria's Secret on the bag, and I'm gonna bunch up like tissue paper for like a headpiece onto this headband. Yes. Can you help me figure out how much I need?
Or else you literally just look.
Nikki? It is. She looked. She looked. Are you a famous YouTuber?
No.
Yeah, she hesitated.
What? That movie got scared.
Usually they're not that up front. That was kind of funny.
Okay, recap. Shh. Okay, recap. Are you hard of hearing?
I think you listen to your music too loud. Okay.
Why don't we take a little look at our carts? Well, my cart's a little inaccurate because some I bought for my house. So, some's for the bag and costume, and some is just because I'm in Hobby Lobby and I'm like, yo, I need to buy everything. I look like I'm about to do some crafts in preschool. Look at all my googly eyes. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go check out and buy our stuff. We'll see you guys at the house. So, the goal make this like a shirt, and my body goes like through it, so I need to cut like this all out, and then glue straps. I'm gonna get into it. Is my body gonna fit through this? Okay. It does fit. Okay. Okay. Why am I genuinely terrified looking at this? Like, I know I'm bad at DIYs, so I tried finding the easy way out, which like a bag is already in the structure of a shirt. Let's start to see if this works even at the top, because if it doesn't work at the top, this whole thing is screwed. I'm gonna cut the bottom to see if it's a tube top. It's shedding. Our subscribers are gonna be able to really tell who can deliver a DIY and who can't from this challenge. I can't. Oh no.
I could have told you weren't gonna fit in that, Nikki.
Okay, brainstorm. We got some straps. Now we gotta get some stripes. Oh, okay. I think this is gonna work out. I'm gonna cut the sides a little. This is like the whole point of the look. Gotta brainstorm. I think I have an idea. It's gonna look a little ratchet. Oh, okay. Can you push this over top of my head?
This is not gonna work.
I'm gonna get stuck in this awful thing.
Yeah. What do you do once it's on? How do we get it on? I don't know. I'm pulling it off. You have to take this liner out.
This is gonna be a mess.
It's already a mess.
Okay. Okay. Oh wait. Okay.
It's ripping.
Okay. Keep going.
Let's just say it's fitted.
So the next part of this costume, I didn't even think about the bottoms, is this. Okay. I'm just gonna like DIY it on myself.
You sound like a chihuahua.
How do I make leggings?
I can't tell you're being serious.
I'm being very serious, and that's what's really sad about this. Glue it, scrunch this down. I think I finished the top. I'm gonna work on the part that I know is gonna work. Gabi was smart. She did research. I just like took whatever I saw at the store. Okay, I'm gonna make this headband green. Was Gabi good at this? Like, I really hope I'm not the only one that sucks. So extra. Alright, time to put all this together and reveal to Nikki. Am I a Teletubby? Wait, I need to make it a triangle. Have some pom-poms and a monster. What the f am I? This is like, I keep on putting this on the internet. I think I'm done. Alright, time to reveal to Gabi. Shit, this outfit. Gabi, is your eyes closed?
Yeah. Hold on, right here. Alright. On 3, you're gonna turn around. 1, 2, 3.
What the? You are Mike Wozowski. No, you're Plankton. I think it's cute. What? You should have seen the disaster making this. Like, it's not bad. I'm not wearing anything under this. Ew. That's actually cute. I'm actually gonna wear this. I wouldn't use this. It was falling down. Guys, comment down my... Your little googly eye, I think it's so funny. Who do you think won? I think we all know the answer. Wait, you need to get my shoes. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Yeah, let us know who you think won. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Bye.